Hi everyone, I wanted to show you the latest paper pumpkin kit. So this just arrived. As you can see, it's raining here. And I'm so glad that they shrink wrap these so they don't get all wet. I don't think they used to at the very, very beginning. They also used to stick the labels directly on with a sticker, so then these boxes would have these stickers permanently on them. So I'm glad that they've changed those things, because now I have a nice box. Have any of you ever used the box as a gift? I have. I've put like a happy birthday image on here and turned it into a gift box, or you can flip the box inside out. Okay, so let's take a look. This month our stamps say, "I'm grateful for all the little things you do. Celebrate today. Enjoy your day with deepest sympathy," and then some nice images. I'm going to talk about this in a second. Shaded spruce is our spot for today. And what is this, you may ask? And I'm going to show you that. Okay, look at the beautiful iridescent gems. I really like that. We got 2 baker's twines. I already know I'm going to love these envelopes. Look at those. They always do such a nice job with the envelopes with these kits. Okay, so we've got our gems and of course adhesive. We've got some baker's twine. Look at this iridescent. I hope that iridescence shows up. And then it looks like this is a panel that's going to have some cutouts on it. So you're going to cut out and it's just going to be this beautiful layer. Lovely. Oh, nice backgrounds. Kind of a brush. Oh, this is the card. Nice. So I don't know if it opens this way or this way. Really cute. Here are those envelopes. Here's the other card base. Really pretty. And then here are some more elements. I will show you the finished product pictures, but I wanted to look at these elements because I know there's another iridescent piece coming up. More card bases. Okay, here they are. Look at how pretty those are. Little blossoms, bigger. Is that a peony? Not sure, but I love the iridescent foil in there. So you get 3 sheets of those. Some more layering pieces, look at that. And some more adhesive. So let's take a look at the finished products. Here you go. I love this one a lot, actually. This kind of lacy leaf thing, and then it looks like they've put them up on dimensional so they kind of stand up and you get that shadow. You can really see the depth in this one a lot. I love that. All 3 are just gorgeous. Take a look at those. Really pretty. So the kit makes 9 cards with envelopes. The envelopes are really pretty. You get everything you need. On the first, if you subscribe, your first kit will come with a block. If you don't know what I mean by a block, I mean this, so that you can stick your stamps onto it and ink them up and make your cards. After that, the next kits don't come with a block because you've already got one. So that's if you subscribe. If you already have a block, then you're good to go too. And then this is only in this month's kit. This is not a normal thing. This is kind of a bonus. And what it does, let me empty this out. It's a kit organizer. So over the year, as you get more and more kits, you get more and more ink spots. You get little things like this. So this organizer kind of helps you to turn your box into a little organizing thing. So you can do it and you can see how you can move these around any way you want. So you can decide, do you want, I think they showed in some marketing videos how you can make these a ton of, you can kind of play around with these. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. Probably there's instructions had I taken the time. Makes more sense to go from the top, right? So you can make large rectangles or small rectangles. So if you want to fit things like twine, or you can make, there's a whole bunch of these. So you can make a bunch of little squares and have your spots sit in there. And you can make little cubbies for twine. You can make little cubbies for extra adhesive. You can, you know, it can be all spots, because after a while, each month they try to give you a different spot color. So you'll have quite a nice collection of spots. So it's really a fun little way to organize what you have. And that's only in this kit, the All the Little Things kit. So that's what's going to come in there. And then I wanted to show you really quickly this next month's preview. Alright, this is the preview for next month's kit. And next month's kit is going to feature the in colors. Those are the new colors that are coming out in our annual catalog that starts May, I think it's the 2nd. Let me see. I can't show you the inside yet, but I can go like this and show you that it starts May 2023. And there's new colors, and they're very earthy. There's, oh, I forget the names. There's like a wheat, and maybe you've seen them. They're all on online. Let me see if I can remember real quick. I haven't put them out in my display yet, but there's like a copper clay, kind of like this pine cone. There's a wheat color. There's boho blue, which we've seen, mauve, and like a pebbled path, which kind of reminds me of Tip Top Taupe, but it's a little different. Anyway, really pretty colors coming soon. And so the box, it looks black and white here, and in all the advertisement you're going to see it's black and white. But then on May 2nd, when that new catalog goes live, they're going to redo these images and make them in the new in colors. So you'll see how that is supposed to be colored. And then the kit is going to only come with one stamp spot, but it's going to feature the card pieces, and everything are going to feature the new in colors. And it looks like it's going to be an outdoorsy kit, and it's going to make cards. All right, so that's next month. So here's a picture of this with all of the spots in it. So if you're a subscriber, you'll end up with a whole collection of different ink spots throughout the years. And that's nice to have, and you can keep them organized. So if you missed out on this kit and you wished you'd subscribed to it, let me know. I always get extra, and I may have 1 or 2 left over by the time this video goes live. We'll see. I do have a couple from last month, and sometimes you can look at my blog, bestpapercuts.com, and then if you click on the garage sale tab, you'll see all of my older things that I have left over for sale. So you might find some paper pumpkin kits there. And that's it. I hope that you like this. If you want to subscribe, there's a link in my description of this video, and also on my blog, Best Paper Cuts. Thanks for watching. Bye.